My name is Katrina. Hello, everyone. My name is Katrina Smith. I am going to be talking about the intersection of fast fashion and sustainability. I'm sure many of us, including myself, have thrown out some dirty socks or clothes, or even just clothes you didn't want anymore. Massachusetts recently passed a textile waste ban to combat this issue, as our unwanted clothes are ending up in landfills overseas and flowing into their oceans and ruining their economies. This is primarily due to the use of fast fashion, which is characterized by its unprecedented rates of production and cheap labor and low price tag. Consumption is a problem everywhere, but particularly for college students who find fast fashion affordable and trendy. A few questions we had when starting this project was, what is UMass Lowell's impact? The global scale of the issue, and what else can we do with textiles besides throwing them in the trash? We worked with partners such as the Northeast Recycling Council and the Rist Institute for Sustainability and Energy here at UML. We also partnered with the Student Society for Sustainability, who hosts Thrift Day, where UML community students and members are able to thrift donated clothing for free once a semester. Thrift Day had 168 pounds of donations, with over 100 attendees and around 70 attendees left with thrifted clothing. We conducted a life cycle analysis to look at the impacts of Thrift Day. We calculated and avoided 1,117 pounds of CO2 emissions, which is equivalent to 8.4 tree saplings planted for over 10 years. Finally, we conducted a survey. So the survey looked at 3 different narratives which we presented to our respondents, which are fact-based, which is more science-focused, duty-based, which is more the duty of a citizen to recycle, and the engaged citizen, which looks at the citizens who are concerned about their community, and that's why they should recycle. We had about 350 responses from the UML community. So some questions I wanted to pull out from the survey have to do with textile recycling and people's opinions on the effectiveness of these questions. So the first one is, an effective way to educate citizens about recycling is to stress how textile recycling demonstrates efficient use of resources. As you can see, the green area shows how many people agreed, which was a large amount. The next question was, an effective way to educate citizens about recycling is to stress how textile recycling may help reduce climate change. Again, we saw a high agreement response. The next question was, an effective way to educate citizens about recycling is to stress how textile recycling may help reduce energy consumption. Again, a high agreement response. In the future, we hope to write a paper which includes recommendations for the UMass Lowell community, Lowell and the surrounding community, as well as other colleges and municipalities. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed.